Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cronos the New Dawn game crashing, not launching, lagging, freezing, black screen, not loading error on Xbox. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart the game. For that, first select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller. After that, select quit option. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed or not. If not, next method is to clear Xbox cache. For that, press Xbox symbol, then move down and select settings. After that, go to system, choose console info. Here tap on reset console and then select reset and keep my games and apps option. So after this, check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. For that, this will help you to clear the cached data. First open settings, then select device and connections, then click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and finally select clear persistent storage. So after this, check if the problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to check internet connection. So for that, open Xbox menu, select settings, select network settings. After that, test network connections and wait for some time to complete it and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next method is to perform a power cycle. So for that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. After that, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. After this, check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to check for Cronos the New Dawn update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for update option and update your game. After that, check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to clear Cronos the New Dawn cache. So you should clear the cache of the game. For that, open Xbox guide, then click on my games and apps, then click on see all. Here search for Cronos the New Dawn, then press menu, then select manage game and add-ons. After that, click on saved data and then click on reserved space. Finally tap on clear reserved space. So after clearing the cache of the game, now check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open the guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. After that, go to the account, then click on remove account. Here select the account to remove and after that select remove option. Once done, add the account again and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. Open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and finally click on it to begin the update process. Once done, now launch the game and see if it's working or not. Next is to check storage space. For that, first press Xbox button. After that, go to the profile and system, then click on settings, then system and then storage option. Here check whether there is available space or not. Or else delete some unused apps or game to create space and after that launch the game and see if it's working or not. Next is to reinstall Cronos the New Dawn game. For that, open Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps, select see all option. Here select Cronos the New Dawn game, press menu button and select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Cronos the New Dawn official website and download the game. Once the game is downloaded, now try to launch the game and see if it's working or not. If not, final solution is to contact support team. So for that, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. You just need to go to Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do or else they will resolve it from their end. So these are few suggested solutions that will surely work to fix the issue you are coming while playing the game on Xbox. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.